Come on, spontaneous views. It's the season again. I don't know if I'm gonna be out here long enough to see the sunset. Really not out here for this. I'm trying to check out this horizon level line that I'm seeing right now. At this point, I'm not gonna even ask the question about no curve. I'm done with the curve questions because can't nobody prove a curve. At this point, like, we gotta just wake up and realize that gravity is not holding this water down to the surface of the earth. Like, we gotta, I'm not even, come on, man. Like, to even repeat that out my mouth, it's cringe-worthy at this time. It's cringe-worthy to think that this water is being held down by gravity. Oh, by the way, I'm in Reddington Beach, or Reddington Shoals, Florida. Me and the fellas are on our annual fishing trip. So I'm I'm right outside Tampa, Florida, by the way. Yeah. This is the Gulf of Mexico. These waves are coming in to the shoreline of the west coast of Florida. Can someone please explain to me how in the world can waves come in to the direction which will be which will be west, if you think about the direction of these waves? They are coming from the west. So if the earth is a sphere which has water sticking to it, then how are the currents not coming? It should be going like a north west pattern. These waves shouldn't be coming to me at this point because I am standing facing west in Florida. I know I might be talking about little directions and stuff like that. That might be a little bit too much for y'all, but hey, I've been studying this topic for a long time. And I understand my sense of direction. I understand geography. I understand geography too, but that ain't what we're talking about right now. Or geometry, I should say. Anyway, before I stop getting tongue-tied, I'm just going to keep focusing on that horizon. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, that sun is about to set. And hopefully I got enough energy to stay out here till it actually sets, while I keep on spitting this game to y'all. It's a nice little beach, you know what I'm saying? Got a couple folk out here. I was gonna dive in the water, but I don't even feel like it right now. I might dive in tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? We still got a couple days left here, so we just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Going on our fishing trip. You're gonna definitely see a part 2. I'm gonna be actually in the middle of the ocean. So yeah, let's see if we can catch that sunset again, because it's about to set. So maybe I should just direct my energy to this topic of the sun setting while I talk about flat earth. First of all, this sun is setting has nothing to do with the surface that I'm walking on spinning. I'm gonna repeat that one more time for the people in the back. This sun is moving away from us. It is not caused by the spin of the surface that I'm walking on right now. These are my feet. Yep. My ugly black shoes, because I forgot my flip-flops. But this sun is about to set. But it's really not setting, it's taking the sunlight with it. The sun rises in the east, sets in the west. It does this every day. Regardless if it's an overcast or anything, that object that we're looking at right now is going to keep doing the same thing. It's going to set. But technically it's really not setting, it's collapsing on the horizon line, because our eyes were only made to see but so far. So the sky and the ground is collapsing, as you can see the sun setting right now. I don't know if I could zoom in. Sorry about that, but look how that sun is touching the water. But even though it doesn't really look like it's touching the water, it's just collapsing on the horizon line. If this doesn't prove flat Earth, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I don't know what else to tell you guys. See, you got other people looking at the sunset. I'm just gonna sit right here. I came out at the perfect time to spit game on this flat Earth topic, and you're not gonna tell me that this sun is setting based off of a spin of an Earth. Yeah. If this ain't a body bag, whoo. If this ain't a body bag, I don't know what else to say. Again, I don't just talk about flat Earth. I be outside. I'm doing outside observation, and I don't need all the instruments. I don't need nothing but my mind and this phone camera. That's all I need. I don't need nothing fancy to prove this. Globe has got to have all type of instruments and all these mathematical equations and geometry, trigonometry, all that little BS. Look at the sunset, just to prove that that object is actually moving away from us. Man. Yeah, that's a sunset. You are witnessing the sun setting. You're witnessing the sunset. It is leaving us. It's leaving us. It ain't from the earth spinning and the water is still doing the same motion. The waves are still coming in the same motion. Come on now. What we talking about right now, man? What we talking about right now, man? And I'm gonna say this too, even though this has nothing to do, as I look at this sunset, it's about to last probably about 30 more seconds, 40 more seconds. This has nothing to do with this topic, but as we look at the sunset, if you still believe in space, is I don't want to say the R word, but it is kind of weird. The sun is gone. Sunset. That's how you get a sunset. But anyway, like I was saying, I could get back to my regularly scheduled program. I'll do another sunset video tomorrow. You know, I'm here for a couple more days, so I could do one more. It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. But just to conclude from this video, since it's getting dark, I'm gonna be out in the ocean tomorrow, in the middle of the ocean. Yep. And I'm gonna do another video, and I'm gonna body bag this Globe Earth Talk. I'm outside. But just to leave you with this, the Katy Perry fake space launch with Gayle King and the other compadre she had, yeah, that was fake. I mean, and I know globe heads think or know that that was a fake experiment that's furthering, they're just trying to keep furthering indoctrinating you with the rhetoric of a globe Earth. Look at this water. You're not telling me that gravity is holding this water to a spinning ball. Yeah, let me zoom out so you can just see the whole thing. Yeah. Let me just make it regular for y'all. Yeah. That's our little spot that we at right there. Fellas out there. Yeah. Flat Earth, man. And it's way bigger than flat Earth. The research that I'm doing right now, I'm glad I even researched flat Earth, because it's opening my eyes to so many other things. It don't just stop at flat Earth, man. It's way deeper than that. Way deeper than that. But anyway, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I kind of already proved my point. I really just want to catch the sunset. And it's getting dark out here. Yeah. So once again, I'm about to sign out. This come one, come all, spontaneous views. Yeah, I got a couple more videos coming for y'all. About to sign out. I'm seeing if I can get me another little spot, but this pier actually, I think the storm came and this pier is supposed to extend all the way out, but the pier actually broke off. So yeah, I'm out, man. Catch me part 2, part 3. I don't know how many parts, but it's flat earth season. Come one, come all.